Don't get her chubby.
Good God, we can't even see the nuts and bolts.
I'm videoing in behind you. Wow. Well, you gotta knock that whole arm out of there anyway, bud.
Yeah, but I gotta get to the ball joint to get to the...
You gotta get to the BJ?
Yeah, I gotta get to the BJ to get the other.
You ever scrub this much to get a BJ?
No, I have never.
All right. I walked over to Scotty's phone to turn the music on mute or on pause, and I pushed it, and the screen lit up and it said new order from eBay. I'm like, oh my God, now really?
Dun dun dun.
Right, Scotty with eBay.
Okay, here we go. This.
Good God. Yeah, I knew it was scuzzy, but holy shit, dude. That's the actual ball joint.
Now here's the fun part. This is a brake hose.
Yeah, we get to figure that out.
Now, hold on. Whoa. Just hang out a second.
Oh, look, chunks of shit. The one plus about this car, though, is the brakes actually functioned. Like, it was the only thing that worked when it got here.
How?
And then the master cylinder was leaking. But I checked in here, and everything's nice and dry. It's quite
Yeah,
wild.
the rears are, like, surprisingly really good.
Oh, yeah. John, I gotta let you know a secret. I kind of haven't given Scotty the playlist of all the videos to this, so he kind of is just kind of walking into this halfway. So he's gonna have homework tonight. He's gonna have to watch all the videos. You know, between OnlyFans and an ex-hamster. Anyway,
don't tempt me. I may have to do an OnlyFans just to get a place to live.
Anybody need a roommate? He's housebroken, kind of.
Well, kind of is more like it.
Yeah, he's like a puppy. He's like a senior citizen dog more than a puppy. He's set his ways. What are you doing? Oh, Jesus. Glad you got the trash can under here. Yeesh. I mean, everybody's seen this before, but it's even more yeesh when you're eating it off. Nothing? No reaction?
I was focused with my tongue out.
When I said beating it off, you were focused with your tongue out.
Correct.
Ay. We're always inappropriate. Anyway, all the suspension's coming off. We all know we got to keep moving on this. Feels good to be back on the bird.
Yeah, this is my first time working on it.
I know. It's just we've been so slammed, and I know John hasn't been in a big rush. He's really understanding. Oh, and when we're done with this one for him, he's got an Imperial to bring us.
Ooh.
God,
he's happy.
Okay, I shouldn't have said anything yet. Oh, I might have, because now he's going to probably work 3 times as fast. All right, so we'll come back to this.
And look at this.
Good Lord. And that's just this.
That's just what I haven't been able to make in the can.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is bad.
Bad.
Yeah, bad.
Yeah, bad, yeah. I'm going to go back to wiring now.
Okay, you go back to wiring hell on the Corvette.
Yes. It's not hell. It's more what's the one between hell and earth?
Purgatory.
Oh, yeah, it's purgatory.
Well, that all depends on which deity you worship. So, I mean, if it's Thor that you worship is your god.
I think Danielle would worship Thor from the movies. I mean, Scotty does too. Oh, you is that the look of I'm gonna fight you?
Yeah.
Ooh. Anyway, so
I may never meet the man, but good God, is he fucking hot!
All right, we know what Scotty wants. Thor.
All I want for Christmas is my dick suck.
What? You Anyway, Scotty's gonna continue beating off, and I'm gonna go back to wiring.
Yeah, you go back to wiring.